In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stickers in Canva. If you've ever wanted quick custom stickers for social posts, planners, or packaging, Canva makes it surprisingly simple with its built-in AI. We'll keep this short and focused so you can follow along easily. All you need is a design open in Canva, and we'll let the tool do most of the heavy lifting. First, click on Magic Media. You'll find it in the left-hand panel of the Canva editor. This opens Canva's AI image generator, which is perfect for sticker-style graphics because it can produce clean, bold artwork on demand. Think of Magic Media as your instant illustrator. You describe what you want, and it creates visual options in seconds. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the panel or looking under the Apps section. The name you're looking for is Magic Media. Next, type your sticker description. This is where clarity matters. Describe the subject and the style you have in mind, and keep it short, vivid, and specific. For example, instead of cat, try cute cartoon calico cat sticker, bold outline, simple shapes, pastel colors. Terms like sticker, bold outline, minimal shading, and flat color help the AI understand you want something that reads well at small sizes. If you care about mood or audience, include that too, like playful, kawaii, or retro. Avoid brand names or copyrighted characters. Original ideas not only generate better results, they're also safer to use. If you want the design to pop, mention a contrasting outline or a white border in your description. You can also hint at the setting by saying on plain background so your subject stands out. Finally, click on Generate Images. Canva will create several options based on your prompt. Give it a moment to process, then review the results with a sticker maker's eye. Look for clean silhouettes, clear separation between the subject and background, and colors that hold up at smaller sizes. If one option is close but not perfect, refine your description by nudging style words or color choices and generate again. Small prompt tweaks often produce big improvements. Remember, simple details tend to make the best stickers. Too many tiny elements can get muddy when printed or scaled down. That's it. By clicking Magic Media, typing a thoughtful sticker description, and selecting Generate Images, you can produce eye-catching, sticker-ready graphics in minutes. Experiment with different styles and subjects, save the descriptions that work best for you, and enjoy how fast you can bring your ideas to life.